Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So here we go with another unboxing. This is the Crossline Laser. So this is from a company called Woo Sports. It's a green laser, leveling, 52 nanometers, self-leveling, and as you can see, cross line for horizontal and vertical. Or, anything if you want, like hanging pictures, etc. And there's nothing really to the outside the box. It's pretty generic, almost non-branded. And here we go, simple plastic. This one comes with the little shelf, magnetic shelf, so you can stick to something metal, and then you can mount the laser here. So if you want to mount it to like a ladder that you're working on, stuff like that. Here's the unit itself, and this is branded, nicely secured into this plastic box here. All right, I'll just take that out, and then to the side. Here's a nice, oh, look at that, USB-C, people. So that's some high-tech stuff here for you. No more micro USB, but this is straight up USB. Man, that's a nice cable too. Okay. And of course, the instruction manual. I'll go ahead and close the box, even though it didn't really give you much of a. I'll put it over there. Put that over there. Okay, so here we go with the branding. The model here is shown as HD321G. G for green. So as you can tell, this is an awesome green laser. They do have the red laser model, but I opt out for the green. It's supposed to be better for your eyes, easier to see, day and night, but especially during the day. Okay, here's the caution, laser radiation, so you have to be careful and don't get this into your eye, of course. And here's like a lock and unlocking. I'm not really sure what that, oh, okay. There you go. Is that on and off? Okay. I thought this was on and off, but it's one of those you had to read the manual. And then here's your typical, what do they call that, 20, I don't know, just a little screw to mount. And, okay, well that's about it there. So, let's see here. So, I'm not sure. So let's do unlock. So I'm guessing maybe the power button got pushed on, and then this locking is already locking it to on, I guess. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. And then maybe off, on, maybe off. Okay, well I guess let's just do a quick crack of this there. And so here's the charge port, and as I mentioned earlier, it is USB-C. That is very awesome. USB-C, folks. I love stuff that's USB-C. It's just, you can tell they spent the extra cash to make sure the item is a little more updated. There you go, 420 mounting thread. That's what it's called, 420. Locking switch. So I assume, so if you turn it on, you can lock it on, so no one can actually bump it or turn it off without you wanting them to. Okay. Read the manual. Glasses not supplied. These are not certified safety glasses. Okay, so long press on the key to turn it on. It is in the lock position. All projected laser beams where they flash every 5 seconds. Okay. Unlock the tool by switching to unlock position. Can also turn on laser tool on. I doubt this. It locks the position of the laser, so if you're budging this a little bit, it'll stay in position? I doubt that. See, so that was locking. I'm not too sure what that locking does. See, so that turned off the power here. Laser on. Okay, so now this is assume off. Okay, I still don't really understand it. So this is what they said, keep it on. So now I have a red light here. Red and blue. So this switch out, does that do anything? Nope, it resets it. So overall, this is pretty much your on and off button. Oh, well, there you go. Yeah, so this is pretty much just your on and off button. You know what I mean? That's the way I understand it for now. I'll have to just test this and play with this a little bit more to understand what what the obvious is, which is. So what I'm thinking is this locking would lock the laser pivoting head. So if you're carrying it around, or you don't want this laser here inside pivoting and moving around too much. So I'm thinking this locking is to lock the laser in place for when you're out and about throwing this into your toolkit or whatever. That would make more sense to me. And I don't know what this instruction is trying to tell me, and I don't want to reread it because obviously it's not really, But I'm assuming this locking switch is to lock the laser head to prevent it from pivoting too much whenever you're carrying it around, because it would just wear out the magnetic bushing or whatever it is using to stabilize itself. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in there. So that's what I assume it will be, and it makes sense for this locking to lock the laser in place for whenever you're moving or storaging this laser leveling device. Makes sense? Yeah. So they had a model that was a little bit cheaper than this, but I think it does like a vertical. See, so we have horizontal, vertical, and it did like a diagonal, and I guess you can do diagonal like this. It'll probably bug your eyes a lot for it blinking like this. But the other one had a way for it to cock itself to the side and do like a vertical. I mean, I don't think I would ever use this horizontal as much. I think the example they had was if you're doing like floor risers on stairs, stuff like that, then it would be useful. And I don't think this manual will suggest how to do that, because I think it's just, see, here it is again about the locking and unlocking. Well, anyways, as you can see, here's the green laser. It's pretty nice, sharp. Let's see if I can get, nice and straight line there. And let's see if I can get nice and straight line. I can't do it. I can't do that line. Horizontal line I can do. This vertical line, I'm not sure why I can't. There you go. Alright, so now I'm nice and square there. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and give me a comment. Tell me what you like about this. Would you actually use this for one of your projects when you're hanging picture frame? I assume this would be useful for if you're hanging towels in the restroom and stuff like that. Something like that. That would be pretty more useful. Or if you're hanging your TV, mounting it on the wall, you want to make sure it's square and plumb and leveled. There you go. So as you can see, the cool prop is that they use USB-C. I'll throw that in the box. That was pretty cool that they did. How did that fit in the box? I don't know. And then this went right here. How did this get in the box? I guess I had to rewind the video. I guess it just floated on top, I guess. Well, that was a little weird. Alright. Well, hope you like what you saw today. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. All this really helps me to understand what y'all like and watch. I did have a viewer comment previously in one of my other videos, and I appreciate that very much. How did this cable get in there? Is it just at the bottom? It is so strange. I guess I'm gonna probably have to rewind this video to watch it because I am confused. I know, I'm killing some time here putting this back in, right? But I want to see. I mean, I don't want to put this cable at the bottom because I'll end up forgetting about it. But man, how was it in there? So don't rewind. You tell me what you think. Don't rewind the video. You tell me. How was this cable in there? How was it in there? I think it was maybe under the box. I think that's what it was. I'll have to rewind it, but I'm pretty sure that had to be. And man, now I can't even close the box. How frustrating is that, huh? Y'all frustrated? Is that funny? Is this my blooper reel? Oh, I can't even close this. Push it inside. Okay, there we go. Now we got it. Here we go. Now we're moving. And we're back here. Okay, Woo Sports lasering level cross-lined laser. All right. Came in black. I believe this is the only color. I don't think it came in an orange color. I might be wrong, but I prefer the black. But yeah, if you're really on the work side a lot, then maybe that orange color might be better for you. But black and green is what I went with. All right, I'll leave it there.